Guy for the attendance.
Good morning, everyone. Today will be the opening of two contract IDs, namely 24BF0095 and 24BF0096. Before we start the meeting, allow me to acknowledge the presence of everyone. Let me start with Engineer Rogelio A. Corameng, Bank Chairperson.
Present.
Engineer Charlie A. Baracao, Bank Vice Chairperson.
Present.
Ms. Clotilde S. Medrano, Bank Member. Present. Engineer Henry R. Pascua, Bank Member.
Present.
Engineer Rolly M. Capabanan, Bank Member.
Present.
Engineer Felipe A. Lasam, Provisional Member.
Present.
Engineer Venancio U. Espiritu Jr., Head of the Bank, DWG. Ms. Esther B. Castillo, DWG Member. Engineer Elizabeth V. Rama, DWG Member. And Ms. Heidi Rose E. Busto, DWG Member. And my co-bank secretariat, Ms. Patricia Lane Cabasal. Ms. Mary Ann Bilo.
Present.
And yours truly, Jacqueline Bacalian. And we also have two construction peers from JWU Construction and Supply, Ms. Chris Joy P. Ferrer. And from 619 Builders Construction Corporation, Ms. Samantha Faye De La Cruz. Based on the attendance, Mr. Chairperson, there is a call.
Since we have a quorum, let us start the procurement activities for today. We have two projects for the bid opening. Contract ID 24BF0095 and contract ID 24BF0096. Since we don't have the electronics eligibility screening, we will resort for the meantime for our eligibility screening. And for the preliminary examination of the technical proposal and the financial proposal, may I request our Vice Chairperson to proceed with the evaluation of the prospective bidders.
Yung technical ay hindi spending, tax bilang, so dalawa ko. Yung mga kwalidad, yung binabasa ko. Yung technical sa pag-finansya, yung result na ano na
okay mo lang, sample lang.
sample lang. Sige. Okay lang.
For manual contract profile processing, or the contract ID number 24BF0095, concreting construction of Pinakayaman FMR Barangay Malatinta, San Manuel, Isabela. With the approved budget for the contract 37,312,500 pesos with a contract duration of 152 calendar days. There are two contractors submitted that bid. In the Simurax Construction of San Manuel, Isabela, and JWU Construction and Supply of Ross, Isabela.
Palit sa address ko ba?
Staff directed. Simurax Construction is from Rojas Isabela. For the manual contract profile processing, for the technical and financial aspects, will you please open the box? Check. Okay lang? Okay, for the technical and financial aspect of Simurax Construction, become license. Use the microphone. Just state the validity.
For Simurax Construction, pickup license. For the license particulars, from July 1, 2023 to January 24, 2026, while it's registration for
Become registration.
pickup registration valid from March 14, 2024 to April 23, 2027.
Okay. Next is the work experience, single largest completed contract.
As per submitted, single largest completed contract, there is only one project, which is the 20 BFC 053 concreting road, Barangay San Antonio, Rojas Isabela, under DPWH State Rojas Isabela. The original contract is 19,205,997 pesos, and it was
Okay.
completed last May 2020.
Okay. Thank you for that info. Next is the net financial contracting capacity.
For its net financial contracting capacity, as per submitted document, Simurax has 203,943,980 pesos and 55 centavos net financial contracting capacity.
What is the AFSE? 20.
Based on 2022.
2022? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Let's go to the other contractor, JW Construction and Supply. Please check the technical and financial aspect of JW. His pickup license, pickup registration, work experience, SLCC and his LMCC.
For the pickup license of JW Construction and Supply, license July 1, 2023 to October 29, registration is valid until
Yung pick-up license niya.
October 4, 2023.
In particular.
License particular February 29, 2022 to October 29, 2026. For the SLCC,
Pastor,
yes sir, submitted one project, ensure safe and reliable national road system network development program, road widening primary roads, Daang Maharlika, Kawayan City, with the amount of 49,862,363.02 as
How about this NFCC?
ang NFCC ay base dito with an amount of 5 billion 638 million 313,904
Billion.
4.18. So that is 5 billion 638 million 313,904.80. Base 2022.
Is AFS here is 2022.
Yes.
Okay. Let us proceed now to the legal aspect of the two contractor. For Simorax Construction, please state the mayor's permit, the DTI or SEC registration, is BIR tax clearance certificate, and their PhilJEPS registration certificate.
For Simorax Construction, legal aspect, on its PhilJEPS registration, certificate valid until May 28, 2024.
before bidding,
22.
before bidding,
May 28, 2024, sir.
before bidding.
Few days. Few days.
And it's mayor's permit.
Itas. Hindi, yung ano, 25.
Sa 2024, ayos na.
Pag-advise.
Permit expires on December 31, 2024. Issued at Rojas, Isabela.
Clearance.
Okay. Is DTI?
DTI certificate valid from March 9, 2022 to March 9, 2027.
Their tax clearance certificate.
Tax clearance certificate is valid and effective from the date is until May 10, 2025.
Okay. Let us go now to the other contractor, JW Construction and Supply, for his legal documents.
For the PhilJEPS, valid until November 20, 2024. For the TTI or Mayor's Permit, TTI, okay, when I send it, valid until October 28, 2025. Mayor's Permit issued 2023. The tax clearance valid until October 2, 2023.
Okay na. Since the two contractor asked the contract profile processing result manually, let us go now to the preliminary examination of technical and financial proposal.
And please rate our first bidder.
Our first bidder for contract ID number 24BF0095, Sifurax Construction. Sifurax Construction, Rojas Isabela.
Let us take the submitted technical proposal as per checklist of required documents. Form of bid security,
Form of bid security present in the form of BSD or bid securing declaration, duly signed and notarized.
organizational chart for the contract to be bid,
Organizational chart present and duly signed.
list of contractors, key personnel to be assigned to the contract,
List of contractors, key personnel present, duly signed and notarized.
list of contractors, major equipment units,
List of contractors, major equipment units present and duly signed.
omnibus road statement in prescribed form,
Omnibus Sworn statement present, duly signed and notarized.
as per checklist of requirements, the submitted technical proposal is complete and passed. So please, rate our second bidder.
For our second bidder, JWU Construction and Supply. Rojas Isabela.
Form of bid security,
Present, notarized, and duly signed. BSD.
organizational chart for the contract to be bid,
Present and duly signed.
list of contractors, key personnel to be assigned to the contract,
Present and duly signed.
list of contractors, major equipment units,
List of contractors equipment pledged to the contract. Present and duly signed.
omnibus sworn statement in prescribed form,
Omnibus sworn statement, 10 parts, duly signed and notarized.
the technical proposal submitted is passed. So, let us open and evaluate the financial proposal. For the first bidder, financial proposal,
On the financial proposal of Sifurax Construction,
bid form,
bid form present and duly signed.
bid prices in the bill of quantities,
Bid prices in the bill of quantities present and duly signed.
detailed estimates,
Bidder estimates present and duly signed.
quarterly or monthly cash flow and payment schedule,
Quarterly or monthly cash flow present and duly signed.
overall rating of the first bidder is passed. So please read the OR number surplus kay price.
I-attach natin.
OR number 3894492. Again, 3894492. For the bid amount, 37,287,567 pesos and 63 cents. I repeat, 37,287,567 pesos and 63 centavos.
Let's proceed to the second bidder, financial proposal for evaluation.
Second page. JW Williams.
Bid 4,
Present and duly signed.
bid prices individual quantities,
Present and duly signed.
detailed estimates,
Detailed estimate are present and duly signed.
quarterly or monthly cash flow and payment schedule,
Cash flow by quarter and payment schedule present and duly signed.
the overall rating of the second bidder response, so this will be your number as well as the bid price.
OR number 3894491. 3894491. For the bid amount, 37,270,374 pesos and 66 cents. 37,270,374 pesos and 66 cents.
Okay, I will be the notice from the IMS from RJ FYI po, down po ito rin natin reported na po sa IMS production ko. Ito yung sagot ng IMS from Mr. Vincent C. De La Cruz. Information System Analyst 2, Network Administration Section, Technology Support Division, Information Management Service, Department of Public Works and Highways, PLDT, SA, PC. Kindly check the downside below. Please use the contact details below for remote verification. Office, Isabela 2nd, Andres Rosa Isabela, Region 2. The contact details is Ranger BD Venera, current status down, date May 22, 2024. Para please print this, then attach to the documents. Let us go na to the next project. The contract ID 24BF 0096. Convergence Special Support Program, DIP, access roads and or bridges from the national roads leading to major strategic public buildings, facilities, rehabilitation of Barangay Malalinta Road, Malalinta, San Manuel, Isabela. The approved budget for the contract is 35,693,460 pesos and the contract duration is 150 calendar days. There are 2 contractors. Who submitted the bid. Namely 619 Builders Construction Corporation of San Manuel, Isabela, and the other one is Siporax Construction of Rojas, Isabela. Let us proceed with the manual contract profile processing for the 2 contractors. For contractor number 1, 619 Builders Construction Corporation, please open the box and check the technical and financial aspects as well as the legal aspect of the 2 contractors. For the technical and financial aspects of 619 Builders Construction Corporation, please check the pickup license validity, the pickup registration, his work experience, single largest completed contract, as well as the net financial contracting capacity. Same with Siporax Construction of Rosa Isabela. And for the legal aspect, please check the various permit validity, his DTI, BIR tax clearance certificate, as well as the PINJEPS registration certificate.
First bidder, Siporax Construction. Siporax Construction, Rojas, Isabela. Yung
Please check. Siporax Construction, is technical and financial aspect. Please check the pickup license, pickup registration, is SLCC and it is FCC.
For the pickup license, validity period July 1, 2023 to January 24, 2026. And validity period March 14, 2024 to April 23, 2027. SLCC of 19,205,997.16
Pinatuloy na lang. Hindi na natin. Mas ba continuation ko?
NFCC, net financial capacity, NFCC, 203,943,980.55,000. And high pesos, and was based on 2022.
2022. Okay. Please continue with the other contractor.
For 619 Builders Construction Corporation, pickup license valid from July 1, 2023 to September 22, 2024. While its pickup registration valid from April 27, 2022 to July 31, 2025. Submitted the single largest completed contract project, 619 Builders. Submitted contract ID 20BF0084, which is the construction of concrete road rehabilitation improvement of Barangay District 3, Municipal and Barangay Roads and Manuels with a contract amount of 36,568,125 pesos, and it was completed last December 17, 2020.
NFCC.
NFCC amount of 1,150,835,932 pesos based on based on 2022.
Okay. Please proceed to the legal aspect of the two contractors. The mayor's permit, please check the mayor's permit, the DTI or SEC registration, the BIR tax clearance certificate, as well as the PhilGEMS registration certificate.
For our procedures before us construction, PhilGEMS is present valid until May 28, 2022.
Oh.
28. TTI present, valid, valid from March 2022 to March 9, 2027. That mayor's permit. For the DTI, that was DTI. And then for the mayor's permit, it is valid until December 31, 2024. And the tax clearance is valid until May 10, 2025.
Okay, continue with the next contractor.
For 619 builders, Bilgems. This certificate is valid until August 4, 2024. Mayor's permit valid until December 31, 2024. Tax clearance of 619 builders valid until February 13, 2025. Builders Construction Corporation submitted a SEC registration. Registration number CS 201408169.
Since the two contractor passed the manual contract profile processing results, we proceed now to the preliminary examination of technical and financial proposal.
Our first bidder, Sephorals Construction, Rojas Isabel.
Next check the submitted technical proposal. As per checklist of the documents. For the security,
Form of bid security declaration, the form of PSD, notarized, signed.
organizational chart for the contract to be bid.
Is present and duly signed.
District contractors, key personnel to be assigned to the contract.
Present and duly signed.
District contractors, major equipment units.
contractors major equipments. Present. Present.
Omnibus summary statement in prescribed form.
Present, notarized, and duly signed.
So, submitting the proposal as per the checklist of the documents, we are all present, so the technical proposal is passed. Let's proceed to the second bidder.
Our second bidder for contract ID number 24BF0096, 619 Builders Construction Corporation. 619 Builders Construction Corporation, San Manuel, Isabela.
Form of insecurity.
Form of bid security, present in the form of BSD, duly signed and notarized.
Organizational chart for the contract to be bid.
Organizational chart, present and duly signed.
List of contractors, key personnel to be assigned to the contract.
List of contractors, key personnel, present, duly signed and notarized.
List of contractors, major equipment units.
List of contractors, major equipment units, present and duly signed.
Omnibus summary statement in prescribed form.
Omnibus summary statement, present, duly signed and notarized.
The technical proposal of the second bidder is passed. Let's proceed to the evaluation of the financial proposal.
Financial component for the first bid of Sigurance Construction.
Bid form.
Bid form, present, and duly signed.
Bid prices and individual quantities.
Present and duly signed.
Detailed estimates.
Detailed estimate, present, and duly signed.
Quarterly or monthly cash flow and payment schedule.
Escrow by quarter, present, and duly signed.
Overall rating of the first bidder's task. So this will be our number and the bid price.
OR number 3894497. 3894497. For the bid amount, 35,685,646 pesos and 19 centavos. 35,685,646 pesos and 19 centavos.
19.
Okay, for the second bidder, financial proposal.
Bid form, present and duly signed.
Bid prices in individual quantities.
Bid prices in the form of bill of quantities, present and duly signed.
Detailed estimates.
Detailed estimate, present and duly signed.
Quarterly or monthly cash flow and payment schedule.
Quarterly or monthly cash flow, present and duly signed.
Overall rating of the second bidder's task. So this will be our number as well as the bid price.
The OR number K894493. 3894493. For the bid amount, 35,685,646 667,777 pesos and 77 centavos. Again, 35,667,777 pesos and 77 centavos.
Okay, the members of the Bids and Awards Committee, just want to inform our contractors that all the documents submitted shall undergo post-qualification, and that all information has to be validated during the post-qualification by the Bids and Awards Committee. Any announcement from our procurement unit?
Our next activity po is to be on May 24.
May 24?
Friday po.
Friday?
Friday, sir.
Review? Okay. Please, put in your calendar. How about our leaders, our contractors? Do you have any questions or clarification? No more? No more? Okay. Then having no other questions, clarifications to be made, the meeting for the bid opening, or today's bid opening is adjourned.